Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to join this motif together, this popcorn motif together. You remember we made this motif the last video and you can find that here. I put here and I will put it in the description box. You can find it easily how can we make that popcorn motif. It's so beautiful, and I make this motif with these two color, and I made it before in Turkish with this size 2 yarn and 2.5 millimeter hook. This is the little one and this is the bigger one. I want to show you this difference. I will give all the details with the joining this motif together. If you have any questions, you can leave me comments. I hope it's helpful. If you're ready, we can start to join our motif together. Let's start to crochet. You can join them, these motifs, together with three ways. First of all, you can sew that. Second is you can edit when you come to your motif last round. You crochet also join to do another motif that. But now I will show you after crochet the motif how to join them together. So you can turn your motifs back side. Turn them back side. Then you can see that we have six popcorn on the last round, and we will join them with the last two. Okay, that last two and that last two, we start here. Take our yarn and insert that here the fifth popcorn, and from the last second popcorn front loop I will insert my hook. Grab the yarn and chain one for the lock that yarn here. After that, take the second motif and insert it the second popcorn's back loop. Grab the yarn and make a slip stitch. Chain one, skip one stitch, insert the second's back loop. We will insert back loop which motif we want to join that. Insert the back loop the big parts motif like that. Grab the yarn and make a slip stitch. Chain one and skip one and insert that popcorn stitch front and that's back. Grab the yarn and make a slip stitch. Chain one, skip one, insert the next one front loop, that's back loop. Grab the yarn and make a slip stitch. Chain one, you can see we come to the that stitch, insert the top of that stitch, back loop, insert the same stitch, front loop, insert the same stitch, back loop, grab the yarn and make a slip stitch. Chain one, skip one, insert the next top of stitch front and that's back, make a slip stitch. Chain one, skip that stitch, insert the top of that, take its back loop, take the second motif's front loop, make a slip stitch, chain 1. We will come to the second corner's popcorn and skip 1 stitch, insert the that chains back loop, that chains front loop, join with a slip stitch, chain 1, insert the that popcorn stop, back loop, that popcorn's front loop, make a slip stitch, chain 1 and skip 1 stitch, insert the second one, that's front, again chain 1 and insert the second popcorn's back loop, second popcorn's front loop, grab the yarn and join with a slip stitch, chain 1 and cut my yarn. Turn it, then look at that, we join that. Now I will make the same thing here from start that 2 and join them. Then we will make that middle point, that middle of these motifs, we will make a little motif and finish our joining. You can see here like that. I will join them together and turn to you. We join them together. Now we have a hole here, so we want to close here there, so we will make a little motif there. I take that color, my second color, make a magic ring, insert my yarn in it and chain 3. This is my first double crochet, yarn over, make 4 more here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So totally we have 5 double crochet. Now insert the first chain 3 stop, insert that loop, grab the yarn and make a slip knot, so we make a popcorn. Then now you can see here this 2 belongs to that motif, this 2 popcorn belongs to that 2 motif, so left here 2 popcorns. I will insert in the middle of that popcorns with back loop, or you can take all the loops together and make a slip stitch, then chain 2, yarn over and insert that circle again and make 1 more popcorn, 1, 2, it's a little hard but not so tough, okay, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Make it loosey, insert the first double crochet tab, take this loop and make a single crochet and make 1 popcorn, then take these 2 in the middle stitch, I insert the back loop like that, grab the yarn and make a slip stitch, then chain 2, yarn over and make 1 more popcorn, I made this magic ring so little, you will make it a little big. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Loose it up, insert the first one, take this loop and make a single crochet. Then take this third motifs, back loop, middle stitch, and join with a slip stitch. Then chain 2 and do the last popcorn here. Take this yarn over and insert that space. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Take this yarn tightly and close that hole how you can and insert the first stitch. Take this loop and make a single crochet. Then insert the middle stitch of the fourth motif, sorry. Grab the yarn and join with a slip stitch. So we want to close that. Chain 2 and insert the first popcorn's top and join with a slip stitch. Chain 1 and cut your yarn. It's too easy. Like this. So we close that hole. After that I will hide this tail. Thanks for your watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.